Alright guys, so today we're getting into the final episode of this phone farm series thing where we actually start a phone farm from scratch. If you haven't already seen the first episode, go ahead and click this link right here. It'll take you guys to an entire playlist. Otherwise, let's jump right into the finale. Let's go. So starting off, just want to throw this out there, we're definitely still doing phone farm content on this channel. And in fact guys, here is a little preview of what's going to be happening in the near future. Little sneak peek on that. So this phone right here, running Cash Magnet. Now it is now at level 6 finally. We just got that level 6 literally like a day or two ago. Oh, where is it going? And right now it is currently at $1.10 in account balance. So right here guys, we have our cash alarm phone, and yes, we still have a ton of offers left to do. It's just this phone is out of storage, so I can't even download any of those yet because we have so many offers left to use. And as you guys can see, we have basically another $10 to cash out on this phone already. And if you haven't already seen that payment proof video, link is in the card above. Basically guys, we cashed out $10 on this app already, and that makes our total for this app right here slash phone $20 already. And yet we still have unused offers here and on the featured page. So if you guys want to sign up for this app, it's amazing. Link is in the description as well. And we're just gonna keep this running passively. We're just gonna go ahead, click on that right there, and now it is making us some money, so there we go. Now right here we have Honeygain running, and as you guys can see, we have earned today, if this will focus, 27 cents so far. So today we made 27 cents as you guys can see, and we're actually gonna go ahead and cash out our balance of $35 I believe and 15 cents. Yep. So let's go ahead and actually request a payout. Let's just click that right there, request payout. And once this loads, there we go, we can actually request the payout. And boom, there you go guys. So new payout request, your $35.15 is on its way to my PayPal email. So there we go guys. That is how Honeygain works. Pretty much is very simple. You just download it and you leave it running as so. Now if you do remember last episode we were running another Honeygain. However guys, we switched it over onto that laptop right there because Honeygain earns more on a PC. Now what happened is basically we replaced Honeygain right here because we can only have 2 devices with AppStation. As you guys can see, is basically the same as Cash Alarm, just it's, you know, named something else. And you guys can see we have amazing offers again, 300 points, 259, and as you guys can see over at my apps section, we have another offer for 854 coins per minute, and our balance is nearing $1 already. And this was just running it for literally like an hour at most. If you guys do want to download any of these apps, link is in the description as always. Not to mention, you guys will get a sign up bonus for using the referral link down below. Alright, so moving along, you guys may remember that we had a bunch of these crappy phones. Now with these crappy phones, we wanted to run CryptoTab on it, and that's exactly what we did. We set up one phone right here, these two basically set up. We just need to go ahead and log in on CryptoTab and bring you guys over to the other part of the farm. We have another of those phones running CryptoTab. In fact guys, I think today we're gonna have to open this bad boy up right here and actually plug it in right there somewhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, and 3, 2, 1. Look at that guys, we got it. And there we go guys, we plugged it in. And now we can actually stick these chargers into here, like so, and or we could use the USBs, which I guess we'll do later on. So we're gonna go ahead and actually get all these phones set up and charging. So be right back. And there we go guys, we got CryptoTab running on all 5 phones. Well, kind of. This one is being a little bit screwy right now, and this one needed a reboot, so we'll get it eventually. But so far, like, this one has been running all day and it hasn't crashed just yet. So overall, I think these phones are decent enough to run CryptoTab, which any phone should be able to. And as you guys can see, we're getting around 32 hashes per second. And if you guys don't know what this does, it's basically mining Monero from what I know, and it pays you out in Bitcoin. So that's basically what's happening here. So guys, I'm planning to actually do a tutorial for you guys on CryptoTab, starting from beginning to end, step by step. And in that video, we're going over how to use CryptoTab, and also, is the Cloud Boost even worth it, and is getting Pro worth it? And overall, basically guys, should you even bother with CryptoTab? Anyways guys, if you do want more ways of earning money, go ahead and click this video right here. I'll see you guys over there. Until then, thank you so very much for watching. Peace out for now.